Hey guys and girls, you might have clicked on this video because you want to know how to make a shop UI for your clicker game. And don't mind me, um, I'm just doing this. I just made like something from scratch. Don't even say I tried to make a pun there. I did not, but I tried to just make something slow, low key. Now I assumed you know how to make the start and the clicking functionality and auto clicks and clicks. So basically, first what you're gonna do is you're gonna do variables. You're gonna go to variables. Then you're gonna make a variable and you're gonna name one auto clicks. And you're gonna make another one and you're gonna name that one clicks. Now, if you already have clicks, then leave that. If you have auto clicks, leave that as it is and don't create any. But if you do not have auto clicks or if you do not have clicks, then make clicks and auto clicks a variable. And basically now we are gonna go to our backdrop. Um I have to select backdrop. Now you're just gonna make a backdrop. Now before I do that, I am going to set the color. Okay, now you're just gonna choose a backdrop. You're gonna go into paint or you could use whatever backdrop you want to do. You'll get rid of the apple and everything. You'll get rid of auto clicks and the apple when we get into the shop. Basically we're just going to fill in the rectangle or square, I mean whatever you want to call it. Looks a little bit more of a rectangle, but I mean, who cares? Honestly, it's just scratch, it's just a backdrop, and I could get cancelled from saying this is a square or a rectangle, but I don't care. Alright, boom. Now, oh, I did not notice that. But okay, let's just, select this, the line. I could just go straight down. Okay, actually, uh, yeah, don't mind me. Am I dumb? Yeah, I'm dumb. Boom. Okay, now we're just gonna choose the square. Now we're just gonna put dark. We're gonna try to do it to the middle and try to do this. Now I am just showing you how to do the basics of a UI. I am not good like that in design or anything like that, so if you blame me for your bad UI, I warned you. I warned you. Guys, just make your own design. Don't copy off of me. Alright? Now, you could copy off this code that I am gonna give you, but you can't copy really a design. So I'll point it out, and I don't know. I mean, it's really just scratch, honestly. I don't care that much. Alright, now, basically what we're gonna do is we're gonna add a sprite, and we are going to put paint. Now we're just gonna go into the text area, and we are gonna put whatever, you really only need to like do price, 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 or clicks needed. 5. Okay, say 5. Okay, boom. I'm gonna add another one. Auto clicks will give you 5. And click here for click here for item. You pick the name, and you're gonna want to center this. You're gonna want to make it like a sandwich. Now, I am not gonna show you how to do this, but you could also, if you wanted to, you could also make it where it turns red if you have insufficient. If you have insufficient clicks, and you can make it green when you have sufficient clicks. But I am not here to do that. You can do that on your own. And yeah, now auto clicks. Auto clicks 5. Okay. Now we are gonna name this whatever item. I'll name it item. You name it whatever you want your item to be. And if you really wanted to, you could add another sprite, and you could, do a ball or button, whatever, or make your own sprite. And you can make it where it clicks when you click that it will give you the item, and it will give you the auto clicks. Okay, here. But let's do the code for the Apple and auto clicks to go away. I will be doing all of the code, all of the hiding and showing code in the start button. You could do it wherever you want, Apple. But it's better if you organize, you organize it. The when backdrop switches to menu, hide, and show, that you need that to be in the specific item that you want to show and hide. But now, basically, we're gonna go to we're gonna do the variable. So we're gonna make hide variable. Now see, if you already have when backdrop switches to, clicking like menu, hide variable, no, that's not what I meant to say. Sorry, I don't script my videos, okay? I don't know, and that's not good. I don't even know what I'm saying. Okay. But, alright, you're just gonna want to do hide variable auto clicks. Because in the shop, you don't really need to know what your auto clicks is. You really just need to know how much clicks you have. Okay? Now we are gonna go to hide variable auto clicks. We're gonna make it so we're gonna go to events, and when backdrop switches to backdrop 1, sorry. Go to your backdrop in your shop, your shop backdrop and name it shop or whatever you want, but you gotta keep that name in mind. So when I say shop, you know the name of your backdrop that you set it to. Okay? Now, when backdrop switches to, and you're gonna select shop. Okay? Now you're gonna make sure so it hides auto clicks. Do this, boom. Then we need to code that, okay? Sorry, but we are going to. So basically, if you have the start button, when switches to when backdrop switches to clicking area, um, in a certain one, duplicate it and drag it into the this. So okay, and do the same. Do the same again. Just you're gonna do the second one. Menu. Okay, now you're gonna do one more, except it's show, and you are gonna select that as shop. Okay, now here. See? Now the backdrop, it's fine. Everything. But right now we are gonna make the button so we could go to shop. How we do that? Yeah, you guessed it. We gotta make it into the sprite. Alright, I'm just gonna go into paint and I am gonna go do, then I will white. We'll turn the brightness to the color of gray that I want, or whatever color you want, and you'll press rectangle, the rectangle tool. Just do this. Actually, I'm going to delete that and make the outline that. Sometimes it doesn't show, just my scratch is broken basically. And if you want to, you could scale it to where what you want. Okay, boom. Now we should drag this into there. That's how I want to do it. You could do it wherever you want though. Okay, now we're gonna name the sprite go to shop button. Now you could put whatever text you want. I will just put this. Make sure your color is black. You could extend this a little bit, and boom, right there, you got it centered. It looks a little bit weird, but trust me, you know, what, even if it looks weird, it still will work. It just depends if you follow what I do and if it works. Okay, but now we are just gonna drag code from another item to this item. Okay. I'm gonna do when so you're just gonna get a hide one, and you're gonna drag to this, and you're gonna drag this and drag another hide one. Right now, if you're just listening to this, you gotta watch this. Like, it's not gonna make any sense to you. Cause I'm saying drag this and then drag this and drag that. You're not gonna understand, right? But when backdrop switches to clicking area, show, When backdrop switches to menu, hide. When backdrop switches to shop, hide. Alright, now we're gonna go to um we're going to go to events. We're gonna drag when the sprite click. Now we are going to go to control. Not control, I'm sorry. We are going to do looks, and we are going to drag out switch to backdrop shop. Alright, now let's do this. Start, boom. Now we just gotta hide the Apple thing. And then we are set with all of the button clicking things, except I have to do the go back to the clicking area, please. Okay, now we're just gonna do a one show, just actually, since we're still at looks, we're gonna do a hide to the Apple. Okay, now start, boom. Okay, but now what we are going to do is we're gonna make a go back button. So we're gonna make another sprite, paint, and what also you could do is go to previous sprite, then you could just do this and you could press copy, go back to the sprite and sorry. Alright, I just set the name for my sprite. Now we are, don't worry, by the way, do not worry about the costume one. Even if you know, if you have multiple costumes here of this one sprite, then you will have to worry about it. But if you don't and you only have one, like this button, don't worry about naming it. Just name the sprite itself. Now we're just gonna press paste because just we just copy that. Now we're gonna go back to text and we're gonna edit whatever you just put there and go back to clicking area, or you could do this, what I did. Boom. Now we're just gonna drag some code from the go to shop button. So we're gonna make it when backdrop switches to menu hide. We're gonna drag that to the go back, and we're going to do when backdrop switches to, no, actually, drag this and this, I'm pretty sure. Okay, now we are just gonna do one more. Done. So basically what you're gonna have to need for your button is when backdrop switches to clicking area, or whatever the backdrop name is that you did for the place where you click, the item, click the thing that you click, like apple clicker, orange clicker, you click the orange. So wherever you click the item, you are gonna set that backdrop. Alright, now we're gonna do when backdrop switches to clicking area, hide. When backdrop switches to shop, show. When backdrop switches to menu, hide. And when the sprite clicked, switch backdrop to clicking area. Now, boom. Now, I did this part wrong. A little bit wrong. You know, don't ignore that. But, yeah, basically we're done with the buttons. Now, we only have to do the code to um, make autoclicks 5. And, make it set the autoclicks to 5 and it actually works. The autoclicks actually works and you could click it for and it'll subtract 5 or whatever your price is. That. Okay? Now this is where I give you the permission to go into my code. Orange clicker, V12 on Scratch. You're just gonna go to that project, right? You're gonna click see inside. You are going to go to where is it? Any of my items, shop apple, shop taco, shop ice cream, shop strawberry, shop bread, shop cake. Okay? Now, you are gonna, you wanna take a screenshot of this, okay? Take a screenshot of this. Okay, just like I will do. Just take a screenshot of it, okay, with your snipping tool. Okay? Now, since I have a screenshot of it, right here, we are just gonna put those blocks and put it onto your project. Okay, now we're gonna go to the item and we are going to do the top. So events. When the sprite clicked, okay, now we're gonna go to control and if and then this then and the else. So right here. We're gonna drag that to the when the sprite clicked. Now we're gonna go to operator. Now we are going to go this. Alright, now we are just gonna do the price. We're gonna do your price here. Alright. Now we are gonna go to variable and we're gonna get the little circle click thing. And we're gonna drag that into a little circle place here. Okay. Now you just have to you just have to do you don't need to do anything for the if, but for the else you're gonna have to go to change autoclicks by whatever autoclicks you want, so it will give you 5 per second. And we are gonna we're gonna drag in the change variable by number. We're gonna go to clicks and we are gonna do it by -5. We're subtracting. We're subtracting 5 from there, so boom, boom, boom. Okay. We're just gonna drag this over here. The problem with this, if it's only text, it's gonna be really tricky to, click on it, boom, like you're gonna have to find a little sweet spot for it to actually register. It's most likely the top. Right, but I don't have 5 now. I have 2, right? But you know, as you can see, I have auto clicks 20. But no, it's not doing the auto click per second, but 20. Now that's where we're gonna go back to Orange Clicker. All right. Now, if you thought we were done with Orange Clicker, nope. Now I will have to find. All right, you're gonna go to the play game. I'm gonna have to go to the play game sprite, and I'm gonna take a screenshot of this. That is just doing whatever mad thing it's doing. You know, it's a forever thing. It's gonna keep looping. That's why. All right, you're gonna take another screenshot, screen snip. Now you are gonna open the screen snip on, you know, a secondary monitor, or just try to memorize this. And you're just gonna want to go to your start button or wherever you want. It doesn't really matter. Okay. Now you would want to go to. Now we have you. If you already have a win, green flag clicked, and switch backdrop to menu, well, we're gonna use that same one, and but except we are gonna go to control and we're gonna add a forever, and we are gonna wait 1 second in that forever. We are gonna go to variable and we are gonna do change auto click, or we're gonna drag and change variable by 1, but we will set this to clicks, so we will change clicks and we will drag the little auto click bubble, little circle thing, and we're gonna put it into a little circle number thing. Okay, boom, as it works. Yes, well, the problem is I am not making it to where it erases everything. So first you're gonna do when green flag clicked. You know, actually, let's detach this forever real quick. I'm gonna keep the switch backdrop. Actually, we're gonna detach that too. Add that back to connect that to the forever, and we are gonna do set auto clicks to 0, or set clicks to 0. Then you could add and you could connect the whole piece. So now when you restart, boom, and you could go here. Alright, boom. You found the sweet spot, and now it's gonna start clicking. When you press the green flag, restarts everything. Boom. Now, hopefully that helped you. You know, I am not in the mood to do a video, but I just decided to do this video. So if you think I'm rambling, I know, I admit it. I am rambling about everything, but yeah. All right. And by the way, I'm not gonna tell my main channel. This is a bad thing. But actually, I might soon. I might make a little mini video, make it short. But on my main channel, Georgie Hee, basically, I am going to make a VR live stream. I'm gonna stream in VR. It will be better than last time. Trust me. It will be tomorrow, November 2nd at what, 6:30 p.m. EST. Okay, and yes, I put my screen black. It's supposed to be that. Don't be scared. You know, I'm not gonna jump scare you, but you know, you could leave now if you want. I'm just gonna start talking and rambling and rambling, rambling. And yeah, but tune in to the stream tomorrow, November 2nd at 6:30 p.m. EST because that is my time zone. And I'll make a short on my main channel saying this. Watch out for that, and I'll list all different time zones in America, and main time zones where that is popular. I'll show that stuff. I might, because I can't fit everything into a short, so I am just gonna try to do all time zones. But hopefully I could do that, and you know, but I am about to have to go, and I already just explained that. Hopefully it works for you. I'm not sure if Scratch ever does a 4.0. Maybe that will change, and I'll update all of my old tutorials from 3.0. And yeah, unless if you're still gonna use 3.0, but yeah, there's a 4.0 and you would prefer to do 4.0, boom, 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 I do the tutorial. Now, I just want to say, Scratch is kind of boring. I want Scratch, hear me out. Post this on Twitter, post this on Twitter and at Scratch. Post this little clip, okay? Scratch, hear me out. Making games on your website is boring. Please make Scratch 4.0. Like, please. Oh, but please just make a 4.0. But yeah, other than that, I'm gonna start rambling. You could end the clip now. Yeah, you could end it. Thanks. But yeah. Stop posting about baller. Everywhere I go is ball.